Hey DIY fans, welcome back. Running out of space or want to wow your guests? Today I'm building a Murphy bed. That's the fold-up bed that disappears when you don't need it. Let's start with materials. 3 4-inch plywood for the panels, select pine for trim, and a Murphy bed hardware kit for the magic folding action. Cut your plywood for the bed platform and cabinet sides. Keep those cuts straight. Assemble the cabinet with pocket screws and glue. Make sure it's square. Drill for the hardware and attach the lift mechanisms. Double check your alignment. Attach the platform to the cabinet with the kit's hinges. Get a friend to help. Add a face frame and trim for that built-in look. Sand, paint or stain, and you're almost done. Secure the cabinet to wall studs with heavy-duty screws. Safety first. And there it is. A stylish Murphy bed that saves space. Like, subscribe and let me know where you'd put your Murphy bed. Thanks for watching and happy building. Before you even pick up a saw, let's talk planning. Because a little prep makes the whole Murphy bed project way smoother. First, grab a tape measure and size up your space. Measure the width, height, and depth where you want the bed to go. And remember to leave extra clearance for when the bed folds down. Pro tip: sketch out your room and mark where doors, windows, and outlets are. This helps avoid surprises later. Now decide what size Murphy bed works best for you. Twin full or queen. Think about who will be using it and how much floor space you want to save. Once you've picked your size, check the instructions on your hardware kit. They often have minimum and maximum dimensions. Next, let's talk tools and materials. Make a checklist. You'll need a circular saw or table saw, a drill, pocket hole jig, measuring tape, level, and a stud finder. Stock up on plywood, trim boards, screws, wood glue, and of course your Murphy bed hardware kit. Lay everything out before starting. You'll thank yourself later. Before building, prep your workspace. Clear out clutter, lay down drop cloths, and make sure you have good lighting. Safety first. Always wear eye and ear protection and keep a first aid kit handy. If you're working indoors, open a window or use a fan for ventilation. Taking time to plan and prep sets you up for a smooth, safe build and a Murphy bed you'll love for years. Ready to get started? Let's jump into the build. Now that your workspace is prepped and your materials are ready, let's dive into assembling your Murphy bed, one step at a time. Start by laying out all your hardware and double-checking that you have every piece. Follow your kit's instructions closely as you attach the bed frame hardware to your pre-cut panels. Use a level to ensure the mounting brackets are perfectly straight. This is key for a smooth fold and a sturdy bed. Next, align the bed platform with the cabinet. If you're working solo, use painter's tape or clamps to temporarily hold pieces in place while you secure them. When attaching the platform, work slowly and check for squareness at every step. Measure diagonals to confirm both sides are even. Now secure the lifting mechanism. Most kits use either gas pistons or metal springs. Attach the mechanism to the frame first, then to the cabinet, following the order in your instructions. If the hardware feels stiff, don't force it. Double-check your alignment and loosen screws slightly before retightening for a better fit. As you go, watch for common issues. If the bed feels crooked, recheck your measurements and level. If it's hard to lift or lower, inspect the hardware connections. Sometimes a bolt needs a little adjustment. Remember, patience pays off here. If you're building solo, work methodically and use supports or blocks to hold panels upright. For teamwork, assign clear roles. One person holds parts steady, while the other secures fasteners. Communicate often to avoid mistakes. Take your time, double-check your steps, and don't rush. You're building a custom Murphy bed that's both functional and stylish, so enjoy the process. Up next, finishing touches to make your Murphy bed truly yours. Congratulations, you've assembled your Murphy bed. Now let's make it a true centerpiece. Start by choosing a paint or stain that fits your style and decor. Bold colors make it pop, while natural stains highlight the wood grain. Apply your finish in thin, even coats, letting each layer dry for a professional look. Add trim or molding for a custom touch, or paneling and hardware for personality. Style the space with floating shelves, cozy lighting, and matching bedding. Get creative. Try a chalkboard, mirror, or mural on the exterior. You've built a Murphy bed that's uniquely yours. Enjoy your new space.